Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla and Smokey here, jumping in for a quick sticky unboxing. Stickii Club is a monthly sticker subscription that I get, and I'm unboxing it. I'll put the website below if you want to check it out and get all the details. I'm not sponsored, so until then, look there. I'm not explaining it anymore. We're going to jump into this because it's supposed to be quick. So I got the vintage pack this month. I didn't get the pop pack. I don't remember what the pop pack theme was. I just remember not being interested. So here we are. I've had this envelope for like a couple of days now and have been dying to see what's inside. But every time I go to film, I end up having to do like something else. And that's been really frustrating because I want to know what stickers I got. And so does Smokey, apparently. Normally I wait till he's done doing his shenanigans to film, but like he just won't leave me alone right now, so we're doing this together. It's a group effort. Thanks for the help, buddy. So let's see. Theme reveal. It's Swan Lake, which is excellent. I don't know if you guys know this about me. It's not a fact that I tell a lot of people, but I love ballet, like obsessively love ballet. And it's one of those things I just low-key really have always enjoyed since I was a kid. So I'm pretty sure that's why I got this month's pack, because how could I not? So first off, we got our label on. And the OCD is quieted. We got this really cute little feather stamp. And I like this one. It's like such a simple item, like for a stamp. But this one has a lot more versatility to me than something more specialized. So I'll definitely be getting some use out of that one. And then it looks like we got another one of those little sticker holder books. Yep. It's got like this glossy paper that you can put your stickers down on. This is really useful for tapes. If you have like long threads of like washi or like those big like PET tapes, you can stick them down here, cut out what you need, and then just leave the rest without having to worry about like preserving the backing or having all the pieces all loose. So that's a cool little thing. I don't use these that often, the little sticker albums. I mean, this is kind of good if you want to put your stickers someplace and just have them to look through. But I don't do that either. I just use my stickers. So I'll probably take this apart and use the cover for something else, because this is really pretty and I really love this. But those are some things you can do with it if you are also getting these and you don't know what to do with these things. And we got a good array. These feel like prints. That's pretty awesome. I know that they're starting to incorporate like more high value stuff because they raised the price a little bit. So I'm really looking forward to seeing that. But for this first sheet we got, this one is from Stickii Club, and I don't know why we're so freaking far away. Sorry, don't be seasick. Or, I mean, I can't stop you. But let's see. Yeah, this is from Stickii Club, and it's got like a bunch of orchestra instruments. Those are really nice little vintagey type clusters. And then this one is from Bunny Minds, and there's her artist info if you want to go follow up with her. And it's just these really lovely ballerinas, and I love that there are people of color in here as well, because I'm gonna tell you guys, if you are a little colored girl like myself and you grew up like loving ballet, there were not a lot of ballets of color, like ballerinas, oh my gosh, ballerinas of color, and it was a little bit discouraging. But this is really nice. This soothes my inner child a bit. And then up next we have a sheet of feathers, also from Stickii Club, and these are really nice feathers. Like, you guys can't see it, but this tail has been smacking me this entire time because now I'm not paying attention to him. And then we have this one, which is from Moon Susan. Moon Susan. And it's really pretty. This one has more of the themes from Swan Lake. You guys remember the Swan Princess movies? Like, those were so fun. And then they just got so, like, campy and chaotic. But the first couple ones were, like, legit. But this is really pretty. I love the gold, like, details. And the fact that we got both swans. Should I do a Swan Lake kit? Yes, right? Because I love it. So, yeah, why not? Why am I asking? That's what my heart says to do. So, you got some Claude Monet little background type stickers, sticker tapes. It's on this like textured canvas type sticker, which is I think my favorite texture that Stickii Club does. I really love this like faux canvas texture, and it's really pretty with these Monet stickers. And then, okay, so like normally there's a daily like planner type one with like all the numbers for the days of the month, but this time there's no numbers. There's just little tiny ballerinas, and I think I like this better than the numbers because I can actually use this versus the planner one because I don't plan like that. But these are really cute little ballerinas. And then this one is from Jenna Dano, and it's just a bunch of really beautiful swans, which is really nice. I think this kit needs more ballet type stuff though. Or this sticker club needs more ballet type stuff. Now that I'm looking at everything collectively, I think they got like the general idea of the entire like performance, but it's not very ballet-ish. So these are postcard prints, which is really nice. So this is the first one, and it's giving like Snow Queen, but with a swan, and I love that. It's also on that faux canvas texture, which is amazing. That would make a really beautiful, like, why are words so hard? It would make a really beautiful, like, journal cover for, like, a winter journal. Maybe I'll think about that. Maybe I'll do ballet for winter. That's a good time for ballet. And then this one is another Snow Queen, and ooh, she's, like, Asian a bit. I love this. Well, she's not particularly. Oh, she's Asian. We're saying she's Asian. I'm saying she's Asian. Not that it matters. I just noticed the blonde hair after because I'm looking at this through my camera because we're so close. But there's blonde Asian people, so I don't think we're far. We're okay. It's a really beautiful, like, snowy scene with swans and birds and, like, a dove, maybe? It's a little impressionistic in the background there. That's like a pigeon. So that's really pretty. And this is what the backs look like. So it's really nice. Lots of space for writing. I think these would make really beautiful journal covers, though. Like, ta-da, my work is done. So maybe I'll put these on my back burner, brainstorm idea. Somebody can call me out on this later and remind me that I said this. But for right now, that's what my brain is thinking. I really love this one. Like I said, I wish it had more ballet-centric stuff, or at least more, like, people in the swan-like attire for the ballerinas, but I think it's really beautiful, and I really loved everything in this, and I'm excited to see what we get next month, because I got both packs next month, so the Quickie Stickii unboxing will be a little less quickie, but still sticky, and yeah, that's it, you guys. Let me know what you thought down below. What was your favorite thing from this month's Stickii Club? And I'll catch you guys all on the next one. Until then, happy crafting. I appreciate your face. Bye!